Did you know you can play games directly on Snapchat? Snapchat has a bunch of fun and interactive games you can play with your friends or even solo. Whether you're into casual games, challenges, or team based fun, Snapchat has got you covered. First, let's open up the Snapchat app. If you don't have it yet, go ahead and download it from the App Store or the Google Store. Now, once you're in the app, swipe to the chat screen. Now this is where you all your direct messages and group chats live. Now you can play games with your friends or in a group. If you don't have a specific game in mind, just open a chat and tap on the plus icon. Here you can find the gaming option as well. This will here at the plus you can see the games hub. In the Snap Games hub you'll find a wide selection of games you can play with friends or solo, from the classic arcade game styles to brand new multiplayer challenges. There's something for everyone. Now, some of the most popular Snapchat game include Bitmoji Party, where you and your friends can compete in a variety of mini games, and Subway Surfers multiplayer, where you can race against each other to see who can collect the most coins. And that's how you simply play game on Snapchat and challenge your friends to some fun interactive competition.